Yeah, it's funny because a lot of times the way your glasses are made, like like you both of you guys are wearing glasses. You know, if you move your glasses 2 millimeters down your nose, or they're a little bit crooked a little bit, that has a more significant effect on your vision than just some of those final little tweaks that we make. Um, like if when we're doing that, it's like at this ideal point of 12 millimeters in front of your cornea, sitting on your nose this certain way, that's the right prescription. But as soon as you wear a pair of glasses that's hanging down too low and they're all kind of crooked and not sitting right, then that it's not even exactly where we had it anyway. So